1879. And when Henry Ford built his first car, it was 1908 at the time. The first day of our independence was in 1776. In 1815 was the first dental flosser that someone could have their first kiss. The first fire hydrant was 1801, and now all of the dogs they have so much more fun. Last of all, I am the first president with his face on a stamp. So these are all
now this prehistoric animal is an amazing piece of art. Tonight we're gonna draw. Hang on a moment. This is not Glyptodont, right? Isn't it? No? Well. So what on earth am I drawing now? Oh. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's relative. It's relative. Doedicurus. I didn't know. Common mistake, my bad. Don't worry guys, I'll draw Glyptodont real soon. I'll deal with the... Right now I'm drawing another brilliant dinosaur related... Right now I'm drawing another brilliant prehistoric mammal, otherwise known as Doedicurus. What we know about Doedicurus is that it's... Let's see.
So these are all first, we thought you should know. It's also the first Mr. Peabody and Sherman.
It says here that Doedicurus was an armadillo the size of a car. Oh my god, the legends are true. I saw the fossil itself. It's as big as my dad's car. My dad's old car.
So these are all first, we thought you should know. It's also the first Mr. Peabody and Sherman.
Alright.
Well, Edison first lit his light bulb in 1879. And when Henry Ford built his first car, it was 1908 at the time. The first day of our independence was in 1776. In 1815 was the first dental flosser that someone could have their first kiss. The first fire hydrant was 1801, and now all of the dogs they have so much more fun. Last of all, I am the first president with his face on a stamp. So these are all first, we thought you should know. It's also the first Mr. Peabody and Sherman. Well, Edison first lit his light bulb in 1879. And when Henry Ford built his first car, it was 1908 at the time. The first day of our independence was in 1776. In 1815 was the first dental flosser that someone could have their first kiss.
It's amazing.
The first fire hydrant was 1801, and now all of the dogs they have so much more fun. Last of all, I am the first president with his face on a stamp. So these are all first, we thought you should know. It's also the first Mr. Peabody and Sherman.
Alright.
Well, Edison first lit his light bulb in 1879. And when Henry Ford built his first car, it was 1908 at the time. The first day of our independence was in 1776. In 1815 was the first dental flosser that someone could have their first kiss.
There we go.
The first fire hydrant was 1801, and now all of the dogs they have so much more fun. Last of all, I am the first president with his face on a stamp. So these are all first, we thought you should know. It's also the first Mr. Peabody and Sherman.
There we are. Now we just draw this.
In 1879. And when Henry Ford built his first car, it was 1908 at the time. The first day
Alexa, play PJ Masks Power Heroes theme.
PJ Masks Power Heroes theme song by PJ Masks on Amazon Music.
Catboy! Owlette! Gecko! Power Heroes! PJ Masks, PJ Masks, PJ Masks, and the Power Heroes!
Into the night they go. They're bigger, they're better, they're the Power Heroes. Into the night to save the day.
Alright. Now, this is his final attachment. Much like an ankylosaur, it's equipped with a tail club that it uses to defend itself from predators like Smilodon and terror birds. And apparently, this guy, he also uses it against rivals. And well, unlike an ankylosaur, its tail is covered in spikes. Don't really know why it's covered in spikes. I feel like God gave it that for a reason. It was probably a gift by sheer evolution. Looks like Glyptodont got a serious upgrade. Don't worry, boys. I'll draw Glyptodont real soon. But to be honest, I prefer Doedicurus. I'm starting to like Doedicurus, and due to its long body design and, well, its tail club. Plus, it looks like an armadillo. It's so amazing. Alexa, what is an armadillo?
Armadillo is a noun meaning any of several burrowing, chiefly nocturnal mammals constituting the family Doedicuridae, ranging from the southern U.S. through South America, having strong claws and a jointed protective covering of bony plates, used in certain areas for food.
Okay, that settles that question. Anyway, that is how you draw Doedicurus. Don't worry, guys, there's gonna be more coming soon. Good night, guys.